Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Aisha Rashid Khan from University of Southern Punjab, Multan, Southern Business School. Today we are going to discuss strategic human resource management, and the chapter 1 is the concept of human resource management. Human resource management is at the heart of every successful organization, whether it is a global tech leader like Google, a local textile firm in Multan, or a non-profit organization based in Lahore. Success ultimately depends on people. Organizations don't turn themselves, it is the human capital, the employees, managers, and teams that bring ideas to life, serve customers, build products, and innovate. HRM is not just about hiring and firing. It's about strategically managing people to align with the organization's goal and values. This includes planning the workforce, developing talent, ensuring employees' well-being, managing performance, and fostering a culture of commitment and innovation. When HRM is done well, it creates a high performance environment where employees are motivated, productive, and engaged, ultimately driving long-term organizational success. In today's competitive world, where change is constant and expectations are high, HRM helps ensure the right people are in the right roles at the right time with the right skills and support. It's not just an administrative function, it's a strategic partner in achieving business objectives. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to define HRM and understand its purpose, recognize the system of HRM and its interconnected elements, identify its strategic aims. Let's explain what is HRM. Definition by Michael Armstrong: human resource management is a strategic and coherent approach to the management of an organization's most valued asset, the people working there, who individually and collectively contribute to the achievement of its objectives. Let's break this down. What strategic means. HRM is not random or reactive. It's aligned with the long-term goal of the organization. Coherent means all HR activities, recruitment, training, rewards, performance management must work together in a consistent way. And most importantly, people are viewed as assets, not costs. Just like any business invests in machinery or technology, investing in human talent is key for survival and growth. Let's share a practical example. Think of a football team. A good coach doesn't just pick and player for any position. They study each player's strength, who's best at defense, who's a striker, who can lead under pressure. Likewise, HRM ensures the right people are hired, placed in the right jobs, trained, motivated, and retained. A weak or misaligned team can't win, just like a poorly managed workforce can't help a business grow. Let's ask a question. Can you think of an organization known for treating its employees well? Let's hear some responses, and the suggested answers are Google, famous for its employee first culture with flexible workspaces, career developments, opportunities and wellness support. And another example, Anglo, Pakistan offers robust training, career advancement and employee engagement programs. And the third example is the Telenor promotes work-life balance, flexible hours and well-being initiatives. Why this matters? Research consistently shows that companies that value and invest in their people outperform those that don't. Happy, engaged employees are more productive, more innovative and more loyal. HRM is not just about processes, it's about people. When employees are treated as valuable assets, they drive the organization forward with energy, commitment and purpose. Next, discuss HR as a system. When we think of HRM, it's important to understand that it doesn't operate in isolation. It works like a system, a well-connected network of functions, each supporting the other. If one part fails or is ignored, the whole system can become less effective. Let's discuss the key components of the HRM system. Number one is the recruitment and selection. This is where it all begins. You need the right person for the right job. Hiring mismatched candidates can lead to high turnover and poor performance as well. Number second point is training and development. Once hired, employees need to grow. This function builds skills, knowledge and future leadership potential. Number third point is performance management ensures that employees stay focused on organizational goals through clear expectations, regular feedback and evaluations. Number fourth is compensation and benefits. Fair and competitive pay along with perks and rewards are essential to motivate and retain talent. Number fifth point is employer relations. Builds a healthy, respectful and inclusive culture. It's about managing conflicts, promoting well-being and ensuring people feel heard. Let's share a real-world example. Imagine a university. The HR department recruits qualified faculty, offers them orientation and training in new teaching methods, tracks their teaching outcomes through performance evaluations, rewards excellence through bonuses or promotions, maintains good communication and trust across all departments. All of these components work together to create better student outcome and a strong academic reputation. If one area fails, say poor recruitment, it can weaken the whole system. Let's ask a question, which HR function do you think is the most important? Let's take a few responses. There is no wrong answer. It depends on the context. Answer to this guide and the discussion is that number one, recruitment. Without the right people, nothing else matters. Training and development builds internal strength and long-term capability. Performance management keeps the team aligned and accountable. Compensation drives retention and motivation, especially in competitive industries. Let's explain. HRM is most powerful when all its components are interconnected and aligned with strategy. Think of it as a machine. If one gear stops working, the whole system slows down. Now let's explain aims of HRM. Human resource management isn't just about handling day-to-day employee matters. When done strategically, HRM is goal-driven. It helps the organization grow by helping its people grow. The aims of strategic HRM includes number 1 point, achieve business success through people. The ultimate goal of HRM is to unlock the potential of employees, to drive organizational performance. It's people, not machines or software, that innovate, solve problems and deliver customer values. Number 2, create a loyal, skilled and motivated workforce. HRM ensures that employees aren't just present, they are engaged, continuously developing and emotionally invested in the success of the business. Number 3, aligned HR policies with business strategies. HR decisions, whether related to hiring, training or compensation, must reflect the company's strategic direction. For example, if innovation is a priority, HR should invest in creative hiring, cross-functional teams and knowledge sharing. Number 4, enhance employee satisfaction and engagement. A satisfied employee is more productive, loyal and enthusiastic. HRM focuses on well-being, career development, recognition and work-life balance to keep morale high. Let's share a real-world example. A high-tech company was facing burnout and high employee turnover. HR introduced flexible remote work options and added wellness coaching as a benefit. Within a year, employees' engagement rose by 25% and turn significantly decreased. This shows how aligning HR policies with employees' need and business goals can produce measurable success. By the end of this lecture, let's have a recap what we have learned. HRM is actually strategic and people-centered. It's about aligning talent with long-term goals. It operates as a system. All functions, recruitment, training, performance and rewards work together. Its aims go beyond hiring. HRM fosters alignment, motivation and business success. Thank you. In our next lecture, we will explore how HRM models and approaches help organizations make better decisions.